Written by Lisa Kidwell, aka Me More Said So. You need to hear this if you're a parent who wants to inspire faith in your kids. Encourage your kids to hold fast to the hope of Christ by sharing these beautiful Bible verses with them. 1 Peter 1:8-9 reminds us that even though we don't see Jesus, we believe in him and the salvation of our souls. It's a powerful message. We are witnesses for Christ here on earth and will be with him in eternity. Use these verses to bolster your children's faith in every season of life. 2 Corinthians 5:7, for we walk by faith, not by sight. It is a great reminder of where we put our hope. It is easy to rely on our own view of things, but that can be deceiving. We don't always know or understand the reason for our circumstances. That is why it is so important to rely instead upon an all-knowing and all-powerful God. Remember Proverbs 22:6, train up a child in the way he should go. Even when he is old, he will not depart from it. Ephesians 6:16, in all circumstances take up the shield of faith, with which you can extinguish all the flaming darts of the evil one. Paul references faith as an important piece of the armor of God. It is our shield which allows us to defeat all of Satan's attacks. Think of Peter, who walked on water while keeping his eyes on Jesus. Only when he looked away did he begin to sink. Our own strength will fail, but God's strength never fails. By sharing these words of wisdom, Hebrews 11:6. And without faith it is impossible to please him, for whoever would draw near to God must believe that he exists and that he rewards those who seek him. Here we are told the importance of faith. God loves us and desires a relationship with us. If we don't have faith in God, how could we hope to have a relationship with him? You're planting seeds of faith that will grow strong and steadfast. So take a moment today to inspire your kids with the hope and love of Christ. Because, as Mimor said, a little faith goes a long way. Keep shining, parents. Please like, subscribe and share, because sharing is caring. Thank you and God bless. Chapter 2. Mimor Said So, Strength in Unity. Written by Lisa Kidwell, aka Mimor Said So. Welcome back, dear parents. Today I want to talk about the strength that comes from unity within a family. Psalm 133:1 says, "Behold, how good and pleasant it is when brothers dwell in unity." It is a reminder that harmony within the family is a blessing and a source of strength. When we stand together, we can face any challenge that comes our way. Ecclesiastes April 9:10 tells us, "Two are better than one, because they have a good reward for their toil. For if they fall, one will lift up his fellow." This verse highlights the importance of supporting each other. Teach your children the value of being there for one another, just as Christ is always there for us. Encourage open communication and understanding in your home. James 1:19 advises, "Let every person be quick to hear, slow to speak, slow to anger." By fostering a loving and patient environment, you create a safe space for your kids to express themselves and grow in their faith. Remember, parents, Proverbs 17:17 says, "A friend loves at all times, and a brother is born for adversity." Strengthen the bonds within your family, and you'll find that together you can overcome any obstacle. So, take a moment today to nurture unity in your home. Because, as Mimor said, a family united in faith is unbreakable. Keep shining, parents. Please like, subscribe and share, because sharing is caring. Thank you and God bless.